medyo parang may bumababa yung ating basketball parang medyo parang nabuhos, nawawalan tayo ng mga crowd. On the part po ba ng SBP, can we, paano ba natin bubuhayin ulit na, ibalik natin yung sigla sa basketball on your part? May plan po ba kayo na yung Gilas team isali sa PBA or yung isang under 20 natin isali sa PBA? May mga ganun po ba kayong plan?
Wala naman kami pong mga current talks with the PBA regarding fielding a team now, whether it's an age group team or the actual Gilas team. Pero nandito lang po yung SBP para supportahan yung PBA. Sila ay isang key member namin, key stakeholder. And anytime they would need help naman, nandito kami para sa kanila. No? But I'm sure po yung ating Board of Governors of the PBA are also working very hard to push for the popularity of the PBA to get back to its glory days.
Ipapadala sa TCL Asia instead of mga PBA kasi the FPD is also in their mid-season na by that time.
Okay, so for the Basketball Champions League, that is a direct relationship between FIBA and the PBA. Okay, so the federation only gives its blessing, and as far as I'm concerned, there is no other league being tapped for that. The PBA is committed to joining the BCL except for this year, which was part already of their agreement with FIBA because they weren't able to put it in their calendar for this year. Pero in the succeeding years, you should see the PBA, engaging with the BCL.
So no change team muna this year?
As far as I'm concerned, wala po.